Hey, what's up guys, my name's Jay, we're back in the YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going, bro? It's been like a month since I've made a video. I kind of feel a little awkward talking to you guys. But yeah, this is kind of like an update video of everything we've been up to, what we've been doing. Just a quick video because I'm on my lunch break. I actually never come home on my lunch break, but you know, today I felt like coming home. We got a lot of leftovers, so I came home and ate. And I was thinking about, bro, I need to catch up on my YouTube videos, bro, because we're about at 12K. Let's hit it. Also, remember to comment down below and tell me some video ideas because I'm like out of it. But so updates. First of all, we got a new house, new apartment, not a house. We're at an apartment, still the same apartment building complex. We literally moved a door over. But everything is renovated here. Like we got a new fridge, we got new stove, new everything, new flooring. And the flooring, like our old place, if you guys look back at our videos, our old place was literally carpet, and now look. Now we got hardwood, which is really good. Our house is not messy, but it is at the same time. But I'm gonna show you around a little bit and get you updated because I got something that I've been doing. So yeah. Let me just show you around, okay? All right, so this is our front door. We actually never use our front door anymore. So let me show you. So this is our front door. I don't even know what's in this closet. Oh, just selling stuff. We got our shoes right here. Our bathroom, yeah, it's a little messy because like we just did laundry, so that's our dirty laundry. Right here, I got all my beard stuff right here, you know, like my beard oil. We got the growth, you know, hair growth, which I'm really happy because right now, guys, I am planning on not shaving my beard ever. Maybe like obviously my neck hair, but I'm gonna try to let it grow out now. I got a lot of beard oil and stuff like that in paste, so I'm gonna try my best to keep it growing. And my hair, I'm actually planning on maybe growing my hair out. I'm gonna try my best not to cut it anymore and grow it out, so we'll see. I also, right here, I made, this is hydrogen peroxide and baking soda because I'm trying to teeth white. But because, if you guys don't know, I feel like, so it's funny because I feel like my worst insecurity about myself is my teeth. Because first of all, I have a gap, which my two front teeth are fake, if you guys don't know. Two front teeth are fake, so I hate the gap. But my biggest thing, I don't even really care about my gap, like I kind of think it's cute. But then if you see, I have a line, and that's like dental work, because these two teeth are fake. If you can see that line, that's, above that line is my real tooth, below that line is my fake tooth, and they had to like put like glue there and use like the blue light and all that, and it left a line. So I'm seeing if maybe I can, like, I don't know, fix it. I don't know. And my teeth are chipped. I know I need to get new teeth. But yeah. And then you come out here. Got everything. It's actually pretty clean right now. I'm going to give these to the dogs when I go back to work. We got the doggy. Oh, baby boy, posing for the cam. This is our little living room area. This, we just went to, I think all this is, we just went to, like, Goodwill and all that. So, like, I literally just got new, look at my new swimming trunks. How cute are they? I can't wait. I got new swimming trunks. But I just got it from Goodwill, so we need to clean them. Molly. The bedroom's a little dirty. Like, this is clean. I'm gonna put it away. We're really behind right now. But, yeah, this is it. I got the camera on the dogs because I just came back from, I'm on my lunch break. So, because look, my car is literally right there. Right, Molly? You sit? Good girl. Also, look what I got. I really wanted a piano. So, my thing is, I'm new at the piano.